We're at Pomona Lake. We were gonna go down to Melbourne, but as you can see, there's a storm further south and it's moving up this way, so we'll see how long we're here for. We're gonna try and catch some crappie. This brush pile over here, I was over here during the winter. Catch some crappie, see how quick we catch them. Turn the little small ones into bait, maybe. Ooh, it's windy. I'm getting cold. Fish don't want to bite. Oh. Oh, you see that? Dang, that was a big one. Well, maybe they do want to bite. Let's try again. Alright, change of plan. So it's kind of a pain to toss the jig head in this wind. Looks like the wind's dying off a little bit, so we'll try again later, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw some baits out and we're gonna troll for some catfish. We're gonna start off shallow, go through a river channel, and then up onto some flats. I think the deepest they get is about 18, 20 feet. But I mean, we got plenty of bait down here. We got fish on the bottom. We'll see if we can catch anything. Today on the menu, let's see what we've got. An old bluegill head. We'll go ahead and use that. You know, I've never caught a big catfish here at Pomona Lake. We'll toss this guy out. Nice and juicy and fermented. I think it's like a month old or something. We'll toss that puppy out. I'm seeing catfish on the bottom. What, about 5 to 20 feet off to the side, on this side. We're gonna troll with some planer boards, spread these baits out, get some good coverage. Looks like the wind's dying down though, so that's good. We'll still troll for some cats. I don't think I've done a whole lot of catfishing on the channel. Here's our setup. 2 ounce dragging weight. 80-pound braid. 40-pound mono leader, about 3 feet almost. We're gonna put a piece of chicken on this one. Big piece of chicken. It's chicken breast soaked in garlic. Make sure it doesn't come off. We'll toss this guy out. Give it a nice, generous yeet. Let it hit bottom. Hook up our planer board. Toss that, and now we're facing the wind. So we're gonna go ahead, start trolling into the wind. I want these baits out about, I don't know, 20, 40 feet, something like that. I think this one's good. This one's pretty far back. Go ahead and lock it, loosen up the drag a bit. Okay, go ahead and throw one more. I got my 3-pull permit. We're just gonna put some more chicken breast on this. We're just gonna cast this one straight back and drag it. Hopefully we don't snag up on some brush. Pretty sure this one here is snagged. I don't know if I really want to keep using this. This line has a kink in it. We'll switch it up for another rod. Oh, great. Looks like this rod is snagged on that same brush. Oh wait, it's a fish. We've got a fish on this one, guys. Is it a fish? Oh yeah, it's a fish. I didn't bring a net either. Bro, I say it's at least, I don't know, 10 pounds. Nah, it's a little guy. Look at that guy. Right on the corner of the mouth. Oh. Corner of the mouth on the chicken. It's a nice little eater size. Let's go ahead and set up some more bait. All I really have is chicken. We'll throw out our planer. Oh, looks like we got a hit on this one, maybe. It's thumping like we got a fish. Just keep an eye on it. We'll go ahead and throw. Oh, this looks gross. We'll use it. Why not? Some of this bluegill. Warmouth. Can't remember what it was. Same thing. Give her a yeet to the side. Let it hit bottom. Put the planer board on. That rod over there is getting hit. Could be the window. I think it's getting hit. Or the waves. We'll let that board plane out to the side. And you'll hear it clicking because it's moving. I don't think this one's doing anything. Let's see. Okay, let's throw another piece of chicken out. Same deal with my other rods. 2 ounce dragging weight, circle hook, float, little rattle, beads. This will suspend the bait from the ground about, I don't know, a foot or something. I got that little one on some chicken, so kind of hook it through there, make sure it doesn't rip out. Either we got hit or I don't know. Let's toss this little guy out here. Wash our hands. Last thing we need is salmonella. So, here, try and show you guys what I'm looking at when I catfish. We just came out of this little bend on the channel, and we're up here on these flats, 19 feet. We're gonna get a little deeper, and then we're gonna come up, and we'll just troll through here. This area over here might be good, but you gotta think, we wanna troll into the wind since it's windy. The wind's coming from the south, southeast, so we wanna troll that way. So that's why it wouldn't be ideal. We'll just keep trolling this. 0.5. I'm seeing all sorts of fish down here on the bottom. Bait. Yeah. Stay tuned for the next fish. Let's see. Oh, got a fish, guys. All right, let's see. Feels like a little guy. I'm just trolling flats. Oh yeah, another little eater. Get this guy. Oh, there's a little bigger one. Oh yeah, there's a nice one. I don't have any pliers back here. Come on. Spit it out, dude. There it goes. He's all bumpy. He's got the herps. Pretty guy, little channel. Oh, he just jumped. Look at that. It's covered in dirt. The chicken breast has been getting all the bites so far. These two outer rods on the planers, that has bluegill and bluegill. So far the chicken breast. Let's throw another good chunk on there. Feels like a little guy. Another little guy. I'm telling you guys, chicken breast. Caught my biggest fish on chicken breast. Garlic chicken breast. Garlic powder. Garlic salt. Oh, there's a bigger one, right? It's about the same size. Right on the corner of the lip. Let's use the fish grips. There goes my chicken. Corner of the lip. Barely hooked. Look at that. Barely hooked. Nice little channel. Pretty fish. We'll let him go. Guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm getting hungry and it's about time to go. We've got some bad weather moving in, so we'll come back out and troll for some catfish or something. Stay tuned for the next episode.